My name is Ceri Andersen. I'm from a company called Toureasy, which is, as far as I know it as of this moment, the UK's first and only 100% carbon neutral coach tour operator. So that means we actually calculate the carbon output for each tour. We're audited by a partner which we work with for this, and we're able to certify or send certificates to each of our passengers so that they know what carbon's being used and how we've paid that back. So that helps them get into the end consumer psyche about how important being carbon neutral is, and becoming more and more so. So yes, we're members of ETOA, proud to be members of ETOA. We're fairly new members, which is nice. So, but I'm finding that ETOA is becoming more and more important to us, particularly with compliance issues and keeping on top of what's changing in the industry. Things like border controls and all of those difficult things to, I suppose, navigate your way around unless you have an organisation like ETOA by your side. Actually, this is my first time at GEM, and it's been absolutely brilliant so far. What I like, I think, particularly about GEM is the reasonably short appointment times, which means that the person who you're sat with, your date if you like, you're focused on the main points of what's attractive about their proposition, and also you're able to sell your main points to them as well. So I think keeping the appointments short and sweet is a really good way of doing things. And of course you get to meet with a lot of people during the day. All kinds of exciting and interesting ideas for me to add to our own tour program, and I'm in charge of product development, and I've got lots of developing to do, so yeah, I'll be coming back, that's for sure.